Yes, hello. Today we are looking at something in the grammar that is called prepositional phrases. So just watch the video and maybe you will learn something. We must start with talking about the preposition first, so we'll just do that a little while and then we move on to the prepositional phrases after that. A preposition is a word that says something about the relations between the words in the sentence. For example, the place. She works in London. This is the preposition, the word in red color. Or the time. We will come on Wednesday. This is the preposition. And you see that this is a place and this is the time. So two different prepositions. Or more abstract relations, the choice of leader. This is not the time and it's not place, but it's more abstract. We can't say that it's time or place, but it's something else. Invitation to a party, thoughts about your school. These are also prepositions. So all these 5 are prepositions and we have lots more. For example, under the table, on top of the roof, above the school, into the building, and so on and so on. There are lots of them. So, what is a prepositional phrase? Well, these are made up of a preposition and one or more words. Like you see here, sick of, happy about, clever at, famous for, and many, many more. You can see some of them on page 61 in your book, but there are more also. There are no rules about which prepositions go with which words, so we have to learn them simply. These prepositional phrases are also used in Norwegian, so you know them from Norwegian probably, but maybe not from your own language, because not all languages have these prepositions. They are sometimes built into the verb or another word. But in Norwegian we have god til, glad i, stolt av, kjent for. But remember, these are not the same as in English, and you can't think that if, for example, glad i is in Norwegian, you can't think that glad in English goes together with in. So don't think that Norwegian and English are the same in this respect. So, and as I said, these prepositions must be learned together with the words. So you simply have to learn that sick and of go together and happy and about go together. You can't look at a word and know which preposition goes together with it. So that's why they're called prepositional phrases, because they must be learned together and they're always used together. Now you can do the tasks on page 60 and 61. Good luck. Bye bye.